All right, here we go. Everyone, before we get going, let's just be sure that we have our song out. Let's be sure that we're on item 9, page 15. So everyone double check. Is that where we are? And we're with John Left. Okay, so this week we're going to continue doing kind of the same thing we did last time, except for we're going to work with the tricky prepositions of, for, and with. So I'm asking that everybody right now writes that down, of, for, with, and then I want you to do a cloud around it, okay, to show that's how I know that you did your homework, okay? All right. Now, first thing we do is read the sentence. John left for his lesson at noon. Okay, so I see the preposition for, which I just wrote down. So for what? For his lesson. And when did John leave? He left at noon. First word's preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Number 2. Joan went with Jean to school. So she went with Jean to school. Check your 2. First word's a preposition. Last word's a noun. Dave likes the sound of that noise. Of is a tricky preposition. So I'm going to squiggle of that noise. First word's a preposition. Last word's a noun. Anything in the middle is an adjective. Don't forget your arrow. And we have one more. Craig ate the slice of meat. Everybody look at your tricky list. There it is, of. What did he have a slice of? A slice of meat. I wonder what kind he had. Did he have turkey? Did he have salami? Did he have some ham? Some bologna? Okay, my friends, you are doing numbers 5 and 6. Don't forget to make sure that you use your song and that you check up here. Of, for, with are tricky prepositions. Don't forget on or near. Woo! All right. Have a fabulous night. You are amazing. Goodbye.